How to listen to audiobooks with Alexa on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can listen to audiobooks with Alexa on Audible. And the first step would be for you to go to your Play Store and then download the Alexa application. So go ahead to your Play Store, click on the search icon by the bottom part of the screen, and then click on Alexa and then search for it, and then once you can see it, ensure you install it. Once it's done installing, open up your Alexa application. All right, so once you're on your Alexa application, ensure you enable permission for the Alexa application. And once you're done with that, the next step would be for you to link your Alexa account with your Amazon account. All right. This is important so it can be easy for you to listen to audiobooks with Alexa on Audible. So to do that, you can just click on sign in, then select your Chrome application, then wait for the setup page to load, right? So after signing in, you'll be able to connect your Alexa to your Audible account. And so once you've done that, move to your Audible account straight away. And and once you're in your Audible account, you'll be able to the home page. Once you're on this home page, move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the profile icon. By clicking on the profile icon and you're about to your profile page, move to the top right corner and click on your settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down until you can see the option Alexa. Then go ahead and edit Alexa by turning on all of this toggle. All right, just turn it on, and that's way you'll be able to listen to audiobooks with Alexa on Audible. As you can see, click on continue, agree and continue, and you are good to go. So ensure you grant all the permission so that you can be able to use Alexa. So you can see what I did and you're good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.